Today in this video I'm gonna be explaining how to play Kubik. So in that game, activate reasoning, that will reveal card from my deck till I can normal special summon a monster. And if my opponent have declared the good level, my monster will go to graveyard, and if he don't, it will be special summon on my side of the field. And all the card revealed from that effect go to graveyard. So the computer I've used the good choice. So my monster go to graveyard with the other card. Activate Kubik Dharma. Discard one Kubik card and draw one card. Activating Monster Reborn. Reborn Duza. Duza is the starter of the deck. When is normal or special summon, you can send one Kubik card from your deck to graveyard. So here I send the trap one. Use Monster Gate. Tribute one monster, and it's like the same effect of reasoning after that, but your opponent can't negate it by declaring a level. So it summoned me Vijam on my side of the field. And that activates the trap effect, so when a Kubik monster leaves the field, I can banish the trap from graveyard and special summon a Kubik from deck by ignoring his summon connection. So I reuse Duza effect to send another copy of the trap, because it's not unspartan. I link summon IP Masquerena. So now the trap effect I can activate again. And I have two copies in graveyard, so I can chain two of them. So summon another copy of Duza. It's what Kubik is good. A lot of effects are not unspartan. So it can make you so many good combo with that. So the other monster is Buster Gundil the Kubik, Behemoth, on the field. Just a dead card if you draw it, but you need a Kubik from different name in your deck for the summoning condition of the Crimson Nova. So it's why I play few dead card monster. Here I search Crimson Nova by the effect of Kubik Karma. Kubik Karma, while it's in graveyard, I can banish it and search a Kubik monster to my deck into my hand. And I link summon Nightmare, Cerberus. Now I can link summon Avermax with IP Masquerena, so it can be destroyed by card effect with IP Masquerena effect. So here use the effect of Crimson Nova. I reveal 3 Kubik cards from different name, and then I can special summon it. That's why I play few monster Kubik that are bad, but I need monster with different name. And yeah, Crimson Nova, it's a Kubik card from different name, not only monster. To summon condition. And Crimson Nova deal 3000 burning damage to each player during end phase. So be careful on that if your life points are low. Here the computer, like always, did nothing dangerous. So now I can just battle with Crimson Nova. Because if Crimson Nova destroys monster, he can attack again. So it's why I attack with him, so I will be able to finish my opponent. So activate the effect. After destroying a monster, he can attack a second time and attack with Avermax to finish the computer. So that's win. Now I'm going second. Deck is very powerful, let's go in second. Normal summon Duza, activate the effect. Send Karma to graveyard. Activate Dharma. With Dharma, discard the trap. So now activate Foolish Burial Good. I send one spell card of my deck into graveyard. So now I have 2 Karma in graveyard, so I can use twice his effect to search a cubic monster. Yeah, because it's not on Spartan. And I have searched 2 Crimson Nova. So now I can reveal 3 cubic cards from different name to my hand and special summon it. Can do the same with the other copy. The only effect of Crimson Nova that is on Spartan is the burning damage in end phase, his summoning condition, and that he can attack again in battle phase. It's not on Spartan. So here just have to finish the computer with the burning effect in end phase. So it's a quick OTK. And the last duel will be how to bring Trinity. So Trinity is the fusion boss monster of the deck. It requires the 3 Crimson Nova to be summoned. So here with my reasoning, I get a Summoner Monk on my side of the field. So it's a decent start. Activate his effect. Discard 1 spell and I can special summon a level 4 monster from my deck. So I summon Duza with it. Activate Duza effect. Send the trap in graveyard. Ink summon Predator Plant. Predator Plant is very good to cheat at polymerization from deck. So now activate the trap effect. Can special summon cubic monster from my deck. So I choose another copy of Duza. It's very powerful, spamming Duza and the trap effect. So both of them are not on Spartan. And also Karma Cubic that I sent to graveyard is not on Spartan effect. If I could remember, only Dharma have on Spartan effect on all his effect in that deck. So I just have to search my 2 Crimson Nova with my 2 Karma in graveyard. And then I just will have to use Predator Plant effect. By paying 2000 of life points, I can send a fusion spell card to my deck to graveyard and resolve it. And Predator Plant restricts you. After that you can't special summon anymore. So it's your last summon of the turn, except if you did already normal summon. But you can't special summon anymore after you use Predator Plant effect. So bringing Trinity. You have high attack. When you attack, you can... You have to reduce opponent life points by half. And when you destroy a monster, you can battle again. So it's clearly an OTK monster by himself. And also he can't be destroyed by card effect, it's why the field doesn't destroy him each time he attacks. And he can't be targeted by card effect, he's really a boss monster. Really hard to deal with it for your opponent. And the last part I will explain my decklist. So here I will explain my decklist. So the first monster is just a cubic monster from a different name. Is really a dead card in your hand. So 3 Duza. Duza is the best card from your deck. It's your starter and can send any card you want to graveyard, but the best target is the trap, so you spam the effect of Duza plus trap to quickly get monster on your side of the field. So here 4 monsters consecutively that are just cubic from different name. For Crimson Nova effect, because you require cubic card from different name, and you can search monster with Karma. So they are dead card if you don't have Crimson Nova, but if you have Crimson Nova, they are monster with different name. So one copy of each of the cubic that are hard to bring out. Because they require you to remove cubic monster depending on their condition. Some require 1, 2 or 3. And 3 copy of Crimson Nova, it's the boss monster in main deck. You can special summon it by revealing 3 different cubic cards from your hand. So you understand why I played this monster previously. Have a burning effect, both players taking 3000 damage during end phase, and when it destroys a monster, it can attack again. To summon a monk. Summon a monk, you discard one spell and it allows you to special summon a level 4 monster from your deck. So the two way to play it is summon another copy of Summon a Monk to spam your field, or if you can't, just summon directly Doza. 3 Vijam. Vijam is the one cubic. He have a good stalling effect that I almost never use, but he have good stalling effect. But mainly I play 3 copy of him, not because of his effect, it's because it can be normal summon, so it's better than the other. 1 in destruction because you like to send card in graveyard in that deck. 3 Dharma Cubic. Dharma Cubic have Unspartan on his 2's effect. So the first one, when you play it from field, you can discard 1 cubic card, draw 1 card. And while this card is in graveyard, you can banish it and bounce back a cubic monster from graveyard to your hand. 3 Karma Cubic. When this card is activated, you can target 1 cubic monster, send how many Vijam from your hand or deck to graveyard you want. The monster target will gain 800 attack for each copy you send. But I play mainly this card for the last effect. When this card is in graveyard, you can banish it and search a cubic monster from your deck to your hand, and it's not Unspartan. So if you have 3 Karma Cubic in graveyard, you can search 3 monsters. So it's very good to search Crimson Nova, plus the monster you require to share, because you require cards from different name, Crimson Nova, to be summoned, and Karma can search monster. 1 monster reborn because you play a lot of the graveyard. 2 Foolish Burial Good to send Dharma or Karma or the trap into graveyard. 3 Lightning Storm because it's a powerful OTK going second deck, so Lightning Storm is good as going second to remove back row. 1 Polymerization, like you can see in the last duel, you can cheat out from deck with Predator Plant effect, or you draw it. It's why I play only 1 copy, it's because I can cheat it with a Predator Plant effect. So 2 Monster Gate, you tribute 1 monster you control, and you reveal a card on top of your deck till you can special summon a monster. And you send the other card from top of your deck to graveyard. So it's very good to send Trap to graveyard. Trap, Dharma, Cubic, Karma, the card you want in your graveyard. Reasoning is almost like Monster Gate, but you don't tribute a monster. Just your opponent declare a level, and if he's good on the level, your monster will just go to graveyard, and all the cards revealed before the monster that you can summon came or sent to graveyard. So Monster Gate and Reasoning is just to spam your graveyard. 1 Super Polymerization for Starry Venom or Moondragon in the Swamp in extra deck. Only 1 copy, I think 2 can be good, but I'm running out of space in that deck, so I only play 1, and I can cheat out with a Predator Plant. 3 Cubic Wave. That card can allow you to OTK sometime. You target 1 cubic monster you control plus 1 opponent monster. The opponent monster attack became half of his attack, and your monster attack become twice, so it can be good to OTK. And have also a good effect while this card is in graveyard. You can banish this card plus how many cubic monster from different name you want, and then you can target the same monster face up on your opponent's side of the field and place a cubic counter on it, and all monsters with cubic counter have effect negated and can't attack. And the last 3 cards in main deck are the 3 trap cards. So the goal of that trap card is being sent to graveyard with Doza effect. And when Doza leave the field for a link or monster gate effect, that trap allows you to special summon a cubic monster from your deck, so you special summon Doza again, and again you send the trap. Moondragon Sound plus Starving Venom in extra deck for super polymerization, 1 Mega Fleet in case of Cymorg or Cymorg Infinite Loop or Cyber Dragon, 1 copy of Trinity, the boss monster in the deck in Fusion. You have High Attack. He can be destroyed by card effect, he can be targeted by card effect. When he attacks, your opponent's life point become half. When he destroys a monster, he can attack again. One Babushka, it's a good rank 4 in the game, can stall your opponent. While Babushka is in defense position, all the monsters go to defense position and they have their effect negated. And one number 60 have 3 good effects. First one is keep your draw phase, draw 2 card, discard 1. Second one is just a monster reborn, a monster in defense position, and you skip your next main phase. And the last one is just twice the attack of one monster you want, and you skip your next battle phase. So here 1 copy of that rank 10 Xyz, because it can deal 2000 burning damage, and you have an easy way to bring Crimson Nova at level 10 in the deck. The reason: 1 Predaplant for cheat super polymerization or polymerization with this effect. 1 Apollousa, if you go in first you can negate monster effect from your opponent, so very good. 1 Avramax, a powerful boss monster, can be destroyed by card effect if he's summoned with IP Masquerena. Also gain the attack of a special summon monster at battle, and your opponent have to battle him, and he can't be targeted by card effect, so he's very powerful. He is very powerful when you summon with IP Masquerena. 1 Cerberus Nightmare, when he's link summon you can discard 1 card and target one opponent's special summon monster and destroy it. And also a good monster to link summon with IP Masquerena to then Medavramax. 1 Boil Sword, good link 4 that can OTK. I'll never bring it with that deck, but it can technically be good, so I don't know, maybe choose another card. And 1 IP Masquerena, when she used as link material, the monster that is link summoned with her as material will be protected from destroying by card effect. And she also have another effect: during your opponent's main phase, you can on speed effect link summon during your opponent's turn during his main phase by using IP Masquerena. 1 Unicorn Nightmare, when he's special summon, you can discard 1 card, target 1 card on the field and send it back to the deck. And 1 Phoenix Nightmare, when he's special summon, you can discard 1 card and target one spell trap card on the field and destroy it. And in the side deck, 1 Pankra, can special summon if your opponent controls more monster. 2 Ash, to avoid your opponent's search card. 3 Gameciel, to remove boss monster. 2 Droll, to lock your opponent for Senshi card. 3 Nibiru, for a combo deck that special summon unlocked. 3 Dark Lord No More, for the deck that lock you with all his effect monster. And 1 super polymerization. And see you next time.